full lips without lip fillers. Have you ever wondered how? Let me give you some tips. Easy tips. Subscribe and join me. Let's stay beautiful together. As the first step, I'm scrubbing my lips in order to get rid of dead skin over that. So I'm doing the easiest thing here. You can take your toothbrush and scrub your lips with that so that it can give you a smooth surface to apply your lipstick. Next, I'm applying some lip balm in order to hydrate my lips before starting the makeup. So once you apply your lipstick, you can remove it with a tissue. Now, to hide my natural lip line, I'm using my concealer over my lips and blend it with my finger. Next, I'm going to use this contour shade to contour under my lip so that it can give a shadow and make my lips look fuller, and a little bit on the sides of my mouth. Next, I'm going to outline my lips. For this, I'm using this brown shade. Here, the trick is you have to slightly overline the middle parts of your lips, the highest point of your upper lip and the lowest point of your lower lip. Not too much. Don't make a gap between your natural lip line and the lip liner you are drawing. Make sure that the outer edge of your natural lip line becomes the inner edge of your artificial lip line. Don't overline the sides of your lips. You can use a lip liner which is darker than your skin tone or a darker shade of the lipstick that you are going to use. Now make the sides of your lips darker and keep the center of your lips lighter. Okay, you can use the same pencil for this. As I do here, blend your lip line into your natural lips. Now I'm applying my lipstick, which is a darker shade, and make sure that you use a matte lipstick for this purpose, because when you talk, your natural lip line will be indicated if you use a shiny lipstick. So make sure that you use a matte lipstick and no lip gloss. Right, after applying this, you have to blend this with your lip line. Again, you can use your finger for this. That is the easiest thing you can do. Okay, now you can apply a lighter shade on the center of your lips. Do not take it towards the lip line. That will again show the natural line of your lips. Finally, you can clean the edges using the same concealer that you used before. Yup, that's it. I hope you learned something from this video and you enjoyed the video. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. You can also comment what you hope to see on my upcoming videos. And finally, I want you to know that you are beautiful inside and out. Stay strong. Let's stay beautiful together. Love ya. Bye.